Hi, my name's George Gatton. I work with C&W Custom Woodworking. I am a project manager for them. I work with homeowners when they want things added into the home, such as bookcases, studies, or as you can see here, bunk beds. So today we are visiting the Mahoney residence. These are customers that we have gotten the opportunity to work with on multiple occasions. We are currently doing work for them on their first floor. We're doing some wainscot projects, some decorative ceiling treatments, and we will be doing some study built-ins as well. Okay, so we are in the family room over at the Mahoney residence, and they have asked us to do a wainscot wall for them. So as you can see right now, we have, at this point, we have applied the panels to the wall, but as of yet, they have not brought the painting in, or the painters in, so that's the next step in this process, and when it's done, it's going to be beautiful. So in addition to doing their family room, they also wanted us to do wainscoting panels in the entry, the foyer for them. We've got the panels on the wall, yet unpainted, so we're still waiting on the painters to come in and they'll finish that process. One of the things about this room that is interesting is they have these curved archways, and it creates a little bit of a challenge. What we're going to do is we're going to use a rubber molding that will allow us to make the curve, and it will be seamless, and once it's painted up, again, it's going to really create a nice area for the homeowner here. So the other project that we have going on here that we haven't started actually at this point is they're going to be putting bookcases all along this wall from side to side. So we are currently in the layout phase of that project. Once the layout has been done, then we will move into the construction process of that and then on to the finishing. So this is the dining room, and one of the other things that they wanted was they wanted a decorative treatment on their ceiling in here. So what we have is a shiplap that's been applied to the ceiling with a wood border. Now, one of the things that happened is actually after the installation, the homeowners contacted me, and we came back out and looked at it and made a decision to add an additional molding around the outside, which I think actually has really made this an extremely nice accent piece to the room. We're in the lower level at the Mahoney residence, and this is actually the second opportunity that we've had to work with these customers. The first time that we got to work with them, they wanted us to come out and just do this simple little bench and cabinet area and some shiplap for the TV, just to help finish off and make a little bit nicer setting down here in their lower level for them. This was one of the other projects that we got to do the first time that we got to work with them. And it's a set of bunk beds, as you can see, with the custom built-in stairs. And this has just turned out so nicely. The kids love it. Everybody that comes over have told them how wonderful this area is. They've actually incorporated lighting underneath for the kids, and it's just turned into such a spectacular area. Okay, so we are back at the shop, and I am going to come back and start working on my next project, which is this thing's in my way. So I will see you guys next time.